How's it going, guys, and welcome back to an episode of Life Made Easy. And today, guys, I'm going to be doing a fun sort of video where I revisit one of my most hated videos, and it's gotten a lot of traction, has over 1,300 views, so pretty decent number of views there, but for all the wrong reasons. And the thing is, like, when I made this video, I was expecting a lot of hate. As you can see, I have like 9 likes on it, but those 9 likes are like mainly from subscribers who usually like my videos. And this video has like 27 dislikes, which is like obviously not the most disliked video I have, but really bad ratio. I think the worst ratio, like to dislike ratio ever. Like my likes is literally 1/3 the number of dislikes, so it's pretty bad. And this was on a 4K action camera I purchased a while back. I wanted to use this for my main shooter, and as you guys know, I don't use that anymore. I use a Canon PowerShot Elf series, which shoots 1080p video. So when I first got this camera, I hated it. I tried using it a bunch, and it just didn't work out. The audio picture quality was horrible, and the video quality was horrible, and the microphone quality was horrible. Everything was bad about it. But the thing is, I got so much hate on this video, and this wasn't a sponsored video or anything. This was my own money I bought this with. It was like 65 bucks or something, or maybe $70. I spent my own money investing in a camera. I don't know why I chose an action camera. Looking back, it was pretty stupid, but yeah, let's just watch this real quick. Obviously, I just shout out. I want to see what you have to say.
Of giving good reviews, but this is one I cannot give a good review to. This camera, in my opinion, is complete garbage, and I highly recommend you guys do not buy this camera.
So yeah, that's my personal opinion. I don't know why people are getting so upset with me. I've actually used and tested the camera, and I was confused because all the reviews on the camera are really good, and mine for some reason was just not working at all. And I even got a replacement unit, as I say in this video, and that still was bad. So it's always weird.
At first, I thought mine was a defect, but apparently it wasn't a defect. Just like I thought it was a defect in my specific model, so I told Amazon send me another one. I got the new one, same problem as the last one. So I'm gonna hop in here and just explain to you guys why you should not buy this camera. So let's just hop right into it. Okay, guys, so I'm just gonna be going over my major gripes. A lot of action cameras actually come with a built-in microphone. I'm sorry, it comes with a built-in microphone. Doesn't come with an external microphone, because usually the audio on these kinds of cameras is really bad.
Yeah, so I was talking here about the audio quality on most action cameras are really bad, but this one had a external microphone, which a lot of people are buying it for. But when I did a test with the external mic plugged in, audio was still garbage, and it was all muffled, and it was so quiet. So that's why I was like, is this thing even good? And I'm still getting a bunch of hate on it, which makes no sense at all. It's just giving you guys my opinion. I'm just telling you how it actually performed. People are out here complaining to me about how my opinion is so outlandish, and they didn't even buy the camera or use it. So these are my subs down here, nice vid, cool vid. This is in Spanish. Yeah, waste of time. This video is garbage and is terrible. You don't explain anything. I thought I explained this pretty clearly. Shout out, obviously, gotta shout them out. I recommend ignoring this video because the camera is very good, and this man is valuing the camera without leaving his house. First off, it wasn't in a house, it was in a dorm room, but okay. And without showing images, pure chatter. That's 100% false. I literally, at the end, if this guy watched the video, I literally do a test at the end showing sample footage. Look at this. Here is some test footage of the action camera and some pictures. What is this guy getting on about? I didn't show anything? Look at this.
The action camera, as you can
Look
see,
how bad this is.
Pretty lackluster. Looks
what are you talking about that this camera is good?
Just still looking around.
The image stabilization is pretty lackluster. There's dark, yeah, there's dark edges around the border. I don't know what these people are talking about.
Now I'm gonna do a couple still photos.
And I think I have the link to it here. Let me show you this. I just find this funny. Yeah, look at this. Look, it's insane reviews. Oh, it's 25% off right now. It's normally 80 bucks. I think I got it for 65. Yeah, makes no sense. Yeah, got insane reviews. Got 4.5. Doesn't deserve that at all. I trashed it. This video terrible, not the action cam. This video is actual garbage. Hey, I did get notifications. That's a good comment right there. So yeah, I don't know why people hating on this video. Like, look at this test footage.
And plug in the extra.
Look at this. I get it. I didn't take any pictures outside, but I think this is still pretty self-explanatory how bad this is. Like, look at this. You're telling me this is a good picture right here? This is garbage. So guys, come bump this video up. Go leave this video some likes. Help support it. And prove all these naysayers wrong. Especially this guy right here. He's wrong. I'm right. My opinion's better. No, it's my opinion's not better. But honestly, I just gave my honest opinion about this camera. I bought it with my own money. That's my personal opinion. I wasn't biased at all. So, and the screen was awful as I go on to explain. You couldn't even like literally see what you're filming, which is another huge problem with the camera. Like the screen's tiny. I think it was only like 2 inches and like diagonally. But yeah, it had a lot of accessories. I'd say that's the only good thing. And yeah, I mean, it was easy to record, but what you're recording wasn't good looking at all, as you can see from all this test footage I did here. And the screen,
You tilt it slightly off axis
yeah,
like
if you
this,
tilt it slightly off axis, you
completely
can't
dark.
see it.
You can't even see what you're filming. Awful screen. This is like honestly the worst problem about it. That you can't even see.
I don't know why people are hating on me for this. Like it's garbage. Like just I get it. They do want to do the follow the mob and like what everyone's saying, the most popular opinion. But like sometimes um there's always even like the minority's opinion still matters. I know the majority, most people just go with that, but like I get it. I still have an opinion. I think all these people saying this is a great camera are wrong. But that's my opinion. Everyone's allowed to have one. So yeah, thanks for watching this video, guys. Go like this video. Go follow me on my social media. Appreciate all you watching. If you're new here, subscribe to the channel. Turn on notifications. Go follow me on Twitch if you want to watch me live stream some games. And yeah, go use my Amazon links down below. I earn a commission off those. And yeah, see you guys in the next one. Peace.